ADHD is one of the most common neurodevelopment disorders across lifespan, affecting around 5% of children and around 3% of adults. In this study that we published in a huge international consortium together with the Psychiatric Genomics Consortium, we published in the Nature Genetics the largest study on the background genetics of ADHD. We found for the first time more than 27 regions related with the ADHD. And that is interesting because in this study we involved more than 200,000 population, the double size of previous studies. And interestingly, the genes that we found related to ADHD was related with the neurodevelopment and also with the memory, attention, and the working memory. And it's also interesting that 90% of these genes are also related with schizophrenia or depression, and that is important because ADHD has a high comorbidity with other disorders.